How to clear app data on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear app data on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Teams. Now this is the home page. Choose the first here, click on your profile picture and click on settings. Now choose the third option, it's data and storage, and here you will find some options. Click on clear app data. Click on it and it will be cleared easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.